Hi, in front of me Xiaomi Mi 11 Pro device, and now I'm gonna show you how to record screen on this phone. To do it, firstly you need to open control panel, and here you need to find screen recorder feature. If you have no this feature on your control panel, then you need to click on edit button, and here in this available toggles area you need to find screen recorder feature and click on the plus button and click done. And here, as you can see, we have screen recorder feature. By clicking on it, you will record screen, but you can set up your screen recorder feature. To do it, click and hold on it, and here you will see settings of screen recorder. Here you can change resolution, video quality, orientation, sound source. Sound source is a very important feature, and this device can't record sounds from both sources. You can record sounds only from microphone, or from system, only from system. You can fix frame rate. For example, I want to record only 90 FPS, and you need to disable lock screen to end, because this feature is not working good. And if you will enable lock screen to end, your device will record a screen with errors. So I suggest you disable this feature. You can enable touch gestures or show button taps, and that's it. Now, if you want to record screen, just find the screen recorder feature on your control panel, click on it, and then click on the red ball, and now screen is recording. And if you want to end the screen recording, just click on the red square button, and great. Now here you can see all your screen recorders records, and all your recordings you can see in your gallery. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.